Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ruby and today I will share with you this beautiful eye makeup look for dark skin color, for beautiful brown skin color. So this eye makeup look you can achieve in less than 5 minutes. So how we get it? So let's get started. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and keep the notification bell on. So first I will conceal my eyes. I am using this KRYOLAN concealer. You will get all my details in a description box. So I am concealing my eyes, and with the help of this flat brush, it's from PAC, I will be concealing my eyes. This concealer will help us to hide our all pigmentation and discoloration. So I will dust out with this KRYOLAN translucent powder, and I'm picking up the small amount of product and I'll be applying it all over my lid, so it will help not to get crease. And from the PAC palette I'm picking up this brown color. Okay, over here in this video I'm just picking up only two colors. We are just using two colors. So here I am applying this brown shade on my transition area as well as on my crease areas and as well as on our outer V area. So we are only playing with two colors this time. So with the help of this blending brush, as you can see, I am picking up the product step by step. I'm not picking up the product at once. Once I'm done with that thing, now I'll be picking up this Miss Claire number 12 highlighter. It's a hologram highlighter. It gives two shade tones like in silver also and golden also. With a small blending brush, I'll be applying it on my 3/4 eyelid. As you can see how brighten up it looks and how beautiful shade it gives. So once I'm done with that, now I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal and I'll be applying it on my waterline area. So this kajal doesn't smudge, so it's a beautiful kajal. You can use it, or any other kajal if you have, you can apply it. So as you can see, we are almost done with our eyeshadow, and now I'm smudging out my kajal with a small blending brush, this just to give a smoking effect. Now I'll be picking up this brown color, and the same brown color, and I'll be smoking out on my lower lash line. This will define your eyes more accurately. Now I'm taking this Maybelline liquid eyeliner in shade black, and I will be giving a very simple look, a very subtle look, a very not dramatic eyeliner I'm doing it, but over here it's an optional. If you want to do a dramatic eyeline, you can draw it. So here I'm giving a very simple eyeline look because I have a slanting eyes, so I will not be giving a big eyeline look. So as you can see, it's a medium eyeliner look. And it's very easy to apply. If you're a beginner, this eyeliner is very good for beginner as well. So if you're a beginner, you can always use a liquid eyeliner. It's easy to apply. So once I'm done with that, now I'm taking same highlighter, Miss Claire number 12, and I'll be highlighting my eyebrows, bone area, and as well as my tear duct area. Now I'm done. Now I'm using this UROPARIS eyelashes, and it's a very lightweighted eyelashes. So it's an optional thing. If you don't want to put an eyelashes, you can go without it, but I have put this eyelashes because of the video. I have to put it, and as you can see, what a simple and elegant look it gives. You can wear it on parties, you can wear it in engagements, you can do it on your clients, you can do it on yourself. Do try and do comment below how you liked it. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also keep the notification bell on for all my latest and upcoming videos. And till then, you stay safe and take care. Bye bye.